Have you ever wondered how to make a chatbot and how much it might cost you? Well, you're in the right place. We'll explore the step-by-step process of making a chatbot and discuss factors influencing the cost. First, let's start with the basics. What is a chatbot? Simply put, it's a computer program designed to simulate user conversation. Chatbots are used in various applications such as customer support, information retrieval, and automation, providing efficient and interactive communication between users and computers. Now, you might be wondering, how do chatbots work? Chatbots use natural language processing, NLP, and predefined rules to understand and respond to user inputs. They can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to providing recommendations. Some chatbots use predefined rules, while others leverage AI to learn from interactions. They improve their responses over time, making them increasingly effective at engaging in human-like conversations. AI-powered chatbots are incredibly smart and versatile. But before we discuss their brilliance, let's take a closer look at some of the impressive chatbot features. First up, we have omni-channel capability. Imagine having your chatbot seamlessly interacting across various platforms, websites, messaging apps, social media, all in one unified presence. That's the power of omni-channel integration. Next, there's personalization. Chatbots are masters of tailoring responses, using user data to create a personalized experience. But what really sets chatbots apart is their 24/7 availability. They're your round-the-clock helpers, perfect for customer support that never sleeps. And the capabilities keep rolling in. Lastly, rich media sharing allows chatbots to share images, videos, and links, enriching user interactions. Let's talk about the different types of chatbots. There are essentially two types of chatbots, rules-based chatbots, and AI-powered chatbots, each tailored to specific needs and functionalities. Rules-based chatbots. These chatbots follow predefined rules and scripts. They're fantastic for structured tasks like answering FAQs and providing specific information. On the other hand, AI-powered chatbots leverage machine learning and NLP. They learn from conversation, adapt to user inputs, and provide dynamic interactions. Now the exciting part, developing your chatbot. When it comes to making a chatbot, you have two primary options. No-code, low-code platforms. These user-friendly tools require little to no coding knowledge. They offer pre-built templates and an easy-to-use interface, which makes chatbot creation accessible, especially for beginners. Platforms like Dialogflow by Google and Chatfuel are excellent examples. But here's the catch. With these platforms, you may still require a developer's help for more advanced customizations or integrations. For those complex projects, you need custom development. Blocktonix is a leading provider of custom chatbot solutions. With a team of highly skilled developers, we specialize in languages like Python and Java. Whether it's incorporating NLP engines like NLTK or OpenNLP, Blocktonix is your gateway to chatbot excellence. Now, let's discuss the important question, how much will it cost? The cost of developing a chatbot from scratch can vary based on factors such as the type of chatbot, complexity, and ongoing maintenance. Generally, the price starts from $15,000 for less complex chatbots with basic features. Though, if you are aiming for a more sophisticated chatbot, the cost can significantly increase to $30,000 or even more. However, having a detailed discussion with professionals like Blocktonix can give you a precise estimation of your project requirements. We have covered all the aspects from the development process to cost estimation for your understanding. If you're ready to take your chatbot journey to the next level, Blocktonix is ready to help you craft your vision into reality. For more information, simply click the link below in the description to get in touch.